interview with his new wife, Ashanti, Nelly stated that he was shocked that she gets up in the middle of the night to take care of their baby. And you could tell he was really shocked. You could tell that this was not made up for the camera or anything. And that's a problem, right? They have kids together. If you have a new child, you know that the child's stomach is the size of a pea and you gotta wake up every 2 hours, back and forth, right? And I think that goes to the co-parenting situation there. I'm not judging him. I don't know how they divided up responsibilities. For all I know, she's taking care of the kid at night and he's taking care of the kid in the daytime. But I think that sometimes when it comes to their children, women are afraid to ask for help from their partner. And sometimes women just put the burden of that. And before the laws got a little bit more liberal when it comes to family law, that could have presented some type of leverage, but now it doesn't really matter. Now they're like, okay, he didn't do that, but he wants to do it now, so what are we gonna do, right? So I think that women need to start making their partners, and I mean partners, because that's what y'all are, do more of the legwork than they have been, right? No. So why am I the only one getting up in the middle of the night? Why don't you know that? Why don't you know what formula we use? Why don't you know who the dentist is, right? No, you need to make your co-parent do some work, because if the court allows that person to get your kid half the time and they don't know that your kid's allergic to peanuts or whatever, now it's a problem. You make them do it early and you make them do it often, because otherwise you're going to be still responsible but not even present if you guys break up. And that's crazy to me. That's crazy. Good luck with raising their child.